IIT series, question number 28. The potential energy function for the force between two atoms in a diatomic molecule is approximately given by Ux equal to A divided by x power 12 minus B divided by x power 6, where A and B are constants and x is the distance between the atoms. If the dissociation energy of the molecule is d, which is given by Ux at infinity minus Ux at equilibrium, then what is the value of d? So let's consider the solution. First, we have to find out u when x equal to infinity. So we have relation ux equal to a divided by x power 12. So we will write a divided by infinity power 12, which is infinity, minus b divided by x power 6. So b divided by infinity, which will give 0. Now we have to find out ux at equilibrium. For that, we have to find out the force, and then we will put this force equal to 0. So force F equal to minus du upon dx. So minus d upon dx of a upon x power 12 minus b upon x power 6, which is equal to d upon dx of b divided by x power 6 minus a divided by x power 12. Now we differentiate it. So this will become minus 6b divided by x power 7 minus, this will become plus 12a divided by x power 13. So this is value of f, but at equilibrium f must be 0. So 6b divided by x power 7 must be equal to 12a divided by x power 13, which gives from here 6 to the, so we will get b upon 2a equal to 1 upon x power 6, which further gives x power 6 equal to 2a upon b, or x equal to 2a upon b whole power 1 upon 6. Now we have ux equal to a divided by x power 12 minus b divided by x power 6. We put this value of x here to get u when x at equilibrium. So we get a divided by 2a upon b, and it will become whole square because this power is 12, this is 1 by 6, minus b upon, this will become 2a upon b. So this further becomes b square, sorry, this becomes a into b square divided by 4a square minus b square divided by 2a. 1a will cancel out from here. So we get b square upon 4a minus b square upon 2a, which is equal to minus b square upon 4a. So we have got u at equilibrium. Now d is equal to u when x equal to infinity minus u when x at equilibrium. So we put the values. U at infinity is 0 and u at equilibrium we have found minus b square divided by 4a. So it becomes b square divided by 4a, which is our answer. Thank you.